Ever wonder how efficiently you're managing your computer's storage? It is crucial to keep an eye on your storage space. A cluttered drive can slow down your computer, affecting its performance. But fear not, Windows 11 has a feature called Storage Sense. This tool automatically helps manage your storage, freeing up space by deleting temporary files and moving less frequently used items to the cloud. With Windows 11's Storage Sense, you can maintain your computer's performance without the hassle of manual cleanup. Setting up Storage Sense is as easy as flipping a switch. Let's walk through it together. Begin by moving your cursor to the bottom left corner of your screen and clicking on the Start menu. From there, navigate to the cog icon. This will open up your system settings. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the Storage option in the left-hand menu. Click on it and you'll be greeted with a breakdown of your current storage usage. Now here's where Storage Sense comes into play. You'll find it nestled right under the Storage overview. Click on it and you'll see a toggle switch. By default, this might be set to off. Simply click on the switch and voila, it should now read on. You've successfully enabled Storage Sense, and just like that, you've enabled Storage Sense. But what exactly does it do? Storage Sense, at its core, is your automated cleanup crew. It's like having a diligent janitor who sweeps up your digital clutter while you're focused on more important tasks. Its primary function is to automatically delete temporary files that apps aren't using. These could be leftover installation files, cached web pages, or other ephemera. Storage Sense also helps maintain a tidy recycle bin by automatically removing files that have been sitting there for over 30 days. It's easy to forget about the junk we throw away, but those discarded files can take up a surprising amount of room. But the cleanup doesn't stop there. Storage Sense can also manage your Downloads folder and OneDrive files. If you don't regularly clear your downloads, or if you've got a lot of old unused files in OneDrive, Storage Sense can be set to handle them too. So, you see, with Storage Sense, your computer does the tedious work of storage management for you. While Storage Sense is a great tool, there are other ways to ensure efficient storage management. Let's dive into a few more tips. First, uninstall unnecessary programs. These can take up significant space. Next, make it a habit to check for large files that you no longer need. Deleting these can free up a lot of space. Lastly, consider using cloud storage. It's a fantastic way to store files without taking up physical storage. Remember, a clean storage not only improves your computer's performance but also extends its lifespan.